Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in today's video we're going to give the wigs a break, you guys, and get these natural curls popping using the Doux Mousse Defining Texture Foam. And I'm also going to be using the Big Poppa Defining Gel, and today I'm going to be doing a twist out on freshly shampooed hair, and I'm going to part my hair in the middle. I like to wear my hair in the middle part when I do these type of hairstyles, and I'm simply just going to section my hair into 4 quadrants or 4 sections. I'm going to do 2 sections in the front of the ear, and then 2 sections in the back of the ear. And this is what my sections look like. They don't have to be perfect. And I'm also going to be using a dimming brush. This is the Cantu dimming brush to better separate my curls so that way I can get the most definition. And I'm also going to be using a spray bottle with just water and some satin scrunchies as well to further stretch out my hair. Again, I would definitely suggest doing this hairstyle on freshly washed hair, but I am going back in with water because, you guys, my hair soaks up product and water like it's no tomorrow. And I also forgot to do my leave-in, so I'm applying the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Leave-In Conditioner. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, and I'm just taking that and running that through the section with my fingers. And I'm also just doing a little bit of finger detangling. And now I'm going to be applying the mousse, you guys. Like I said, my hair soaks up products, so I'm definitely very generous when it comes to applying my products. But you definitely want to know what your hair porosity is, or your hair's ability to soak up moisture, when it comes to knowing how much products to use when you're doing different types of hairstyles. And just with the foam, I really do like how the definition was. And now I'm going to take some of the gel, and I'm also going to shingle or rake that through my hair as well with my fingers. But I'm also going to take the dimming brush and use that on the ends of the hair, just because I find that my ends do get a little bit more clumped together than the roots. So I'm really focusing the dimming brush on the shaft and the ends of my hair. Now that I have the section detangled and the products applied, I'm going to simply just do a 2-strand twist. And if you guys want a more detailed video on how to do a 2-strand twist out, I do have a video on my channel, and I will link that in this video and in the description box as well. And I'm simply just going to repeat the same steps throughout the entire head. Going to apply water, my leave-in conditioner, the foam, and then the gel, and then apply that throughout the hair from root to tips, and then twist each section. Now, I have tried this foam by itself in a twist out, and I really did like how the definition came out. This was my first time actually trying out the gel, and I did see a lot of reviews where people were saying they liked using both products together. Now, once I have each section twisted, I am going to take a satin scrunchie and just band each section or each quad together, so that way I can keep my hair stretched out, so that way I can prevent having as much shrinkage as possible. So this is a good tip if you're trying to stretch your hair out, is to put satin scrunchies on the end of your hair, so that way it can pretty much kind of like weigh it down, so that way it doesn't shrink back up. And this is what the sections look like. I am going to sit underneath a hooded dryer for about an hour. Now, this is what my hair is looking like after sitting underneath the dryer for an hour. And I'm just going to take out each twist and separate them. And I did also apply a little bit of oil on my fingertips before I started separating the hair, just so that way I can reduce frizz as much as possible. And I really did like how this hairstyle came out, but I know I did not do myself justice because I did not sit underneath the dryer long enough. But as you guys can see, I was just loving it. I was having a little dance party, so I definitely would suggest giving these products a try. Let me know down below in the comments if you've tried any products from the Doux line yourself. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this with your beauty besties so we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin', and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.